Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find a seller on eBay. And it's actually really easy and simple. Maybe they asked you to check them out on eBay, or you want to see what else they offer, right? So if you come and search it up right here, right? Let me go ahead and search for Interior Distributors on here. You'll see random stuff showing up. All you need to do is come here next to search. You'll see advanced. Just go ahead and click on this. And right here under advanced search for items, we want to toggle on by seller. Okay, so choose by seller. And now right here with include, we only want to include sellers with this name and your distributors. Okay, and these will get toggled on. That's perfectly fine. All you want to do is scroll down and click on search. And now you'll only see items being sold by this seller, right? And if you want to go ahead and check out their profile, it's easy. You can just click on any of these listings, and there you go. We can also access their whole profile. It's really that easy and simple.